Young people could help the elderly by maybe helping them cross the road, or say if they drop something they could pick it up for them. Just nice things.
We produced the feelings tree. In Brunhesby, if elderly are feeling happy, they can stick a happy face on or things like that.
A giant blue teddy bear, you have to respect the elder.
We all know that dementia is on the increase, and it's now one of the biggest illnesses that we deal with within the NHS. We were fortunate enough that a staff nurse that works for us, her husband is a school teacher in the local school, so we've used that connection to get the project going.
Suddenly Mr. Bump had a great scare.
Tried to raise the life skill opportunities for the children, which led me into starting a life skills project, which is an after school and during dinner time activity, and where I worked in partnership with my wife, Jane, to have some input on dementia and raising the awareness of mental health within the community.
I went in, we talked about dementia, what dementia was on a basic level because they're young children.
Well, my understanding of dementia is that you could lose your memory forever and it doesn't come back.
And about respecting people and being aware that people have got different things happening as they get a little bit older.
We did the song about dementia. We all worked together as a team, basically. We all made a song and we were practicing it, and Ed would put some music on for us.
Oedd y gweithdai wedi cael ei wneud gyn Jane a David. A wedyn oedden ni'n gwybod bod y plant wedi dysgu am llawer o bethau yn cynnwys parchu yr henoed, bod dementia yn afiechu.
We went to Edwin's recording studio to record the song.
Mi oedd y gwaith oedd wedi cael ei wneud cyn i fi fynd i fewn i wneud y gân. Yn amlwg wedi gweithio'n dda oherwydd oedd y plant wedi dod i fyny efo'r stori i hunan felly, sut oedd Mr Bump wedi mynd i'r ffair. Yr encouragement oedden ni'n rhoi iddyn nhw wedi gweithio allan yn dda, so mae beth da chi'n glwad ydy actually di gwaith y plant eu hunan.
We did a storyboard for the song. We had a bit of a drawing and it showed the sequence of how the song went and the story of it. That was fun.
We did the video. I got chosen to be Mr Bump and I was doing the acting.
Mental health in all states has still got that taboo, and the positive thing of this exercise is that it's also helped to reduce that taboo and the myths around dementia, and the children have their fear levels have reduced through this process.
People can view our work on YouTube. Thank you.